you're getting $20 back, which means at the end of the day, you're paying this amount of money. Hello, what's up everyone? This is Forever Looney here. Okay, I actually don't have to speak to the mic. But today I'm just gonna speak to you guys in regards to credit limits. Reason being is because a lot of people, they don't understand how they can use credit limits, or the other words is actually called credit card. When you guys are getting credit card, the most important thing is that you are able to actually get something called the credit score. Okay, this is how it is spelled. This is credit score, but this one I will speak to you guys on the next video, because if I were to go on, this is gonna be like an hour and stuff. Alright, you just have to know that credit card gives you something called the credit score. This is gonna help you and it's gonna improve your relationship. It's just like you sending a CV to the bank, and they will look at this thing and they will actually think whether they want to offer you the money or not. Okay, so let us head into it. Okay, the first thing that we are gonna speak in the credit score today is gonna be your money. Okay, let's just say that today you are putting your money, $10,000 in the bank. Okay, you're putting $10,000 in the bank, and this $10,000, they are gonna give you a 0.1 or maybe 1% interest. They're gonna give you a 1% interest. Pretty nice, right? 1% interest. You're gonna get 1% interest per annum, which means every year they're gonna give you 1% for the interest. Okay, let me just get our friendly calculator here. Okay, pop it out. How much is gonna be 1%? So you just have to do it, although I can just do it on my math, but I just want to show you guys that all these calculations are true, 100% real. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so you're gonna get back $100. Every year you're gonna get $100 from the bank. Pretty nice. $100. You're gonna get $100 every year. Wow. If you were to put in $10,000, that's only if you are gonna put in $10,000. Okay. So other spending, you know, you're just spending on other things, because people like your parents, everyone, your friends, your whatever siblings that you have, they are telling you that credit card is gonna lay you in debt. That is because you don't know how to do finance manage. Think about this. Credit card give you the authority to spend money that you do not have, because the bank will pay first and then you're gonna pay them only by the end of the month, which means you have to be really responsible. Okay, and how they are gonna reward you for being responsible? That is the credit score. Alright, so for example, let me just give you another scenario. Today I want to buy a car that cost me $14,000, but however I only have $10,000 in my bank. I only have $10,000 in my bank. How am I able to pay for this $14,000? So this is where the credit card comes in. They will give you maybe you are able to actually split payment for a year. They are able to actually, you know, split payment for maybe 2 years and stuff like that, which means the current value that you're gonna pay per month is gonna be handy dandy. Yes, calculator is here. All right, so $14,000. All right, you're gonna split into a 1 year payment. There, you're just paying $1,167 every month. I mean, providing that, you know, they just round up the thing. So it's gonna be 1.6. Wow, shit. There's no point there. Okay, 1,667. Where's the brush? Yes. 667. So every month you're just gonna pay these, and you make sure that you pay to the bank, and of course there will be some other charges, you know, that they are gonna charge you. So it's gonna be like plus. Alright, so you're gonna pay this amount to the bank, and every time if you are responsible, they will reward you. There's a way to say thank you. Okay, they're gonna say thank you to you for being responsible. They're gonna reward you, and of course they're not gonna call it reward point, but okay, this is gonna be your reward point. And in another case, they will be calling this as a credit score. They are gonna thank you for being responsible, which means next time when you are gonna go for a loan, okay, this is gonna be credit score. This will actually tell the banks on how trustworthy are you. For example, if I have a positive credit score, when I go to the bank and I say that I need to loan maybe $100,000, okay, I'm gonna loan $100,000, and I have a positive credit score, the bank will be more willing to trust you than a person with a negative a negative points, and they are saying that I want to borrow $10,000, they will definitely not gonna trust you because they will be afraid that you run away with their money. They will be afraid that you can't pay them back and you're gonna file for bankruptcy and it's gonna take them a longer time to get back their money. Correct? So if you have a positive credit score, the bank are more willing to borrow you money. It's just like your portfolio. They will be more willing to offer you because they can trust you as you have a positive credit score. Alright, so nonetheless, we are not going to speak about this today. We are going to speak about how you are going to gain money by credit card. Alright, so when you have a credit card and you are buying this bag for maybe a $2,000. Okay, I'm buying this new bag for $2,000 and it's totally awesome. Okay, I use my own ATM card and then I paid for it, which is bad. Okay, I paid for it, and then the total amount is gonna be $2,000 without discount. Okay, if you use a credit card and they are giving you a 1% cash back, 1% cash back, pretty awesome. 1% cash back. Alright, I'll just write it out for you guys so you guys know you guys are getting a 1% cash back. You are buying the same product. You're buying the same product that costs $2,000. But this time around, you are getting this 1% cashback, which means you are not paying $2,000. You're not paying them $2,000. You're paying them $2,000. Okay, minus the 1% cashback, which after you pay the bank, they will put into your account after the transaction. Okay, so now instead of paying this $2,000, which is what loser does, okay, you are paying this amount. Where's the freaking calculator? Get out now. Okay, alright, it's here. Awesome. So $2,000 divided by 100, you're getting $20 back, which means at the end of the day, you're paying this amount of money. And of course, definitely, you will be saying, only cheapskate do that. Only cheapskate do that. I don't need to save money. I can just buy it at the original price. I don't need freaking discount. They are too low class for me. Alright. Then, the second thing is, you're going to get credit score. So the next time when you go to the bank and you tell them that, hey, I want to borrow money, and the bank will say, no, because you don't have any credit limits, you don't have any credit score, we are not willing to borrow you money. In times of need, you will definitely need this. But at the same time, you are able to save money. Would you be that stupid to not get it? I mean, some people, if you want to let your pride take over you, over how much you can actually spend, how much you can actually receive, and how many money you are able to get back into your pocket while buying the same thing at the discounted price when people are buying it at a cheaper rate and you're buying it at a more expensive rate. You got to figure them out yourself. Hey, hi guys, my name is Private Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.